muscles are very contracted. It's hard.
Hard, okay.
Squishy.
Okay.
This is all I can
Touch
do.
the skin and sit down. Okay, you can lift up the skin.
Like stick it to the muscle.
Okay. Open the mouth.
Underneath it is the organ, so I need to be very delicate and careful.
Yeah.
This here is the frog's heart. There's a layer of fat above it. The frog's heart only consists of 2 atriums and 1 ventricle. The frog's liver consists of 3 lobes. These are the intestines. And under the liver here is the stomach. Yes, stomach.
So this is the 3 livers with the gallbladder. Here's the stomach. Here's the intestine. Here's the lungs with the heart together. Here's all the fats, and here's the kidneys.
Okay, this here right are the bones. Here, this bone here is the rib cage which protects the lungs. There's 1 pair of it, and then at the center here right there is a spine also known as the backbone. Over here are the legs, and the genitalia are here, which we are not going to be dissecting. And this one is the web feet, which we have to pin it down. And then over here is the mouth and the brain, right? And the tongue. Yeah, over here is the mouth and tongue. The tongue, right, is stick to the front of the mouth. Unlike humans is at the back there, because they want their lungs to stretch out far to catch insects to eat.